Hi guys, we are back with another video. Guess what? While everyone's gearing up for Android 15, Google's already got a sneak peek of Android 16 ready for us. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's packed with exciting upgrades and some impressive under-the-hood improvements. With Developer Preview 2 just released today, let's dive in and see all the cool features coming our way with Android 16. The Android 16 Developer Preview just made it official. Meet Baklava, the sweet new codename for Android 16, inspired by that delicious Middle Eastern dessert with layers of pastry, nuts, and syrup. Yum! Get ready for some fresh flavors in your Android experience. The latest update is here to make your life easier. The settings page just got a stylish makeover with a new segmented design, making it a breeze to find what you're looking for. You'll notice the Google Accounts page has taken a top spot, similar to iOS. Plus, the About Phone and System settings are no longer at the bottom, they've moved up above security and privacy for more convenient access. Exciting news! Bluetooth audio sharing has finally arrived with Android 16, and fingers crossed, it's here to stay. This amazing feature lets you enjoy audio with multiple Bluetooth headphones simultaneously, perfect for sharing music or movies with friends. Just a heads up, you'll need Bluetooth LE supported earbuds to make it work. And that's not all. You can even scan a QR code to share your current media stream with another device, although this feature isn't quite up and running yet. But don't worry, with more Bluetooth LE supported earbuds on the horizon, it's only a matter of time before everything's good to go. Stay tuned for the stable update. The second developer preview is here with an awesome upgrade to the Bluetooth menu. Now, you'll get to see PNG images of your connected and saved Bluetooth devices, provided they're in Google's database. But that's not all. Tap on Device Details, and you'll spot a cool new circular battery indicator around the device itself. How neat is that? Good news for all those who missed it, Notification Cooldown is making a comeback in Android 16 DP1. Initially introduced in Android 15 DP1 but later removed, this feature now returns with a sleek new menu that explains how it works. For those who need a refresher, Notification Cooldown mutes repetitive alerts received in a short period, cutting down on the annoyance of constant notifications. Say goodbye to notification overload. Google is stepping up its game with a focus ed approach similar to iOS by replacing Do Not Disturb with the new modes options in settings. Not only can you manage DND as usual, but now you can also create custom modes with their own icons and tailor their behavior to your preferences. Whether it's bedtime, work, gaming, or weekends, you can set up modes to fit every situation. Plus, you can access these modes directly from quick settings for ultimate convenience. Feels like a game changer, doesn't it? Check out the exciting new enhanced Now Playing feature in Android 16 DP2. It automatically grabs album art for every song it recognizes, giving your music a visual upgrade. Plus, you can now choose your default music player, letting you play identified songs directly. Your music experience just got a whole lot cooler. Android 16 is set to make the most of the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor found in the Pixel 9 series. Google is experimenting with a screen-off Fingerprint Unlock feature in Android 16 DP2, allowing you to unlock your device with your fingerprint even when the screen is off. To use this feature, you'll need to enable it in the settings and make sure Always On Display is turned on to see the fingerprint indicator. Convenience and security at your fingertips. Say goodbye to the boring old Wi-Fi sharing QR code. Android 16 has given it a fresh, animated makeover with a curvy design that's way more appealing. While the change seems to be purely aesthetic, it certainly makes sharing your Wi-Fi details a bit more fun and visually interesting. Introducing a mysterious new feature in Android 16, Experimental Mode. Found in the Colors section of your Pixel phone's display settings, it's not entirely clear what this mode is intended to do. For now, selecting it increases the display's warmth, similar to night light. While this feature has been removed in Developer Preview 2, we might see further development in future updates. The privacy dashboard on Android is getting a major upgrade with Android 16. Now, instead of just seeing which apps accessed your permissions in the past 24 hours, you can view this data for the last 7 days. This helps you get a better grasp of your app's behavior and keeps you informed about your privacy. Great news for all the note takers out there. Android 16 is introducing a new note-taking shortcut that you can add to your lock screen. While it currently shows a "coming soon" message when you long press it, This feature promises to let you quickly access your default Notes app once it's fully implemented. Convenient and efficient. Exciting news for app developers. The latest update introduces new APIs for the Photo Picker tool, originally launched in 2013. This handy pop-up menu lets you select specific photos or videos to upload, without granting the app access to all your files. While not widely used before, these new APIs make it much easier for developers to incorporate the tool into their apps. Plus, Google is working on adding a search option to help you find your images quickly. Get ready for a smoother, more secure photo sharing experience. Big news for Health Connect users. With Android 16 DP1, the app now supports reading and writing your medical records in FHIR, Fast Healthcare Interoperability Resources format. This standard lets apps exchange electronic health records seamlessly. However, keep in mind that apps will need your permission to access or write medical records in Health Connect. Enhanced health data management at your fingertips. Android 16 is bringing some exciting updates for developers and users alike. Third-party apps can now leverage the predictive back gesture introduced in Android 15, making navigation smoother than ever. Plus, apps will get more control over your phone's haptics, ensuring the same tactile feedback across all system settings. And there's more. The new Night Mode Indicator API will be a game-changer for social media apps like Instagram and Snapchat. These apps can now detect current lighting conditions and adapt to capture better night mode photos, just like your stock camera app. Get ready for amazing nighttime snaps. And finally, let's talk about Privacy Sandbox. Google's new Android 16 release introduces this exciting module, aiming to enhance your privacy. While the details are scarce, with Google only mentioning that it incorporates the latest version, we're left eager to see the new improvements. That's all for the exciting new features in Android 16 so far. We'll keep you updated as more roll out. While it's just the first developer preview, it's already promising some great additions. Which feature are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't miss my previous one titled, The 2-Week Cookie Cleanse. Protect your online identity now. It's full of great tips and insights. You can catch it on the end screen. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot. Got any topics you'd love me to cover in future videos? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. I'm always eager to bring you the content you want. Stay tuned for more exciting videos.